Imagine feeling and looking younger in just 90 days. The key? Understanding how aging works at the cellular level and taking the right steps to slow the process. In the next few minutes, we'll dive into powerful, science-backed strategies that can help you slow down and even reverse the effects of aging. Whether you want to improve your skin, boost your energy, or sharpen your mind, stick around because the journey to a younger version of you starts today. Welcome to 90 Days Better, the channel that explores transformative habits for personal growth and self-improvement. In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating world of aging and provide you with concrete steps to slow it down. We'll also reveal a fun, little-known fact about aging and jellyfish that will blow your mind, so stay tuned. Without further ado, let's begin. Aging is a natural process, but did you know that many people age faster due to lifestyle habits? On a cellular level, aging occurs as telomeres, the protective caps on our DNA, shorten with each cell division. Factors like stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, and environmental toxins accelerate this process. A study from Harvard shows that chronic stress alone can age you by an extra 10 years. Many struggle with fatigue, wrinkles, and cognitive decline, but the good news is that these can often be mitigated or even reversed. So, what's the secret to slowing down aging? In the first week, the goal is to establish the foundation for success. Start by focusing on diet and stress management. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts helps fight oxidative stress, a major contributor to aging. Begin with small manageable changes, such as cutting out processed sugar and drinking more water. Stress management techniques like mindfulness and meditation are crucial, as stress accelerates aging by damaging cells. Set a goal to meditate for just 5 to 10 minutes a day. By the end of this week, you may not see dramatic changes yet, but trust the process. You're laying the groundwork for lasting results. Over the next few weeks, you'll start to see and feel the difference. Your skin may appear brighter, your energy levels higher, and your mood more stable. Continue focusing on nutrition, but now add exercise to the mix. Exercise, especially resistance training, helps maintain muscle mass and boosts the production of youth-preserving hormones like human growth hormone. Aim for 3 to 4 days of resistance training, paired with cardiovascular activities such as brisk walking or swimming. Also, make sleep a priority. Studies have shown that getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night promotes cellular repair, slows the shortening of telomeres, and rejuvenates your body. By the end of the first month, you'll likely notice clearer skin, increased stamina, and even sharper cognitive function. Now that you've established healthy habits, it's time to dive deeper. In months 2 and 3, you'll focus on optimizing longevity and reversing aging at the cellular level. Add intermittent fasting to your routine. Research shows it boosts autophagy, a process that clears out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. This leads to improved skin elasticity, better brain health, and reduced inflammation, all key to reversing the aging process. Make sure to also include high-intensity interval training, which is known to stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis, essentially boosting the energy powerhouses of your cells, leading to increased vitality and slower aging. Additionally, include supplements like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and collagen supplements, which can further protect your cells and promote youthful skin. By the end of 90 days, the transformations can be astonishing. Many people report looking and feeling 5 to 10 years younger after adopting these changes. Your skin will appear more youthful and glowing, you'll feel a surge in energy and mental clarity, and you'll have a newfound confidence knowing that you're actively slowing down the aging process. The longer you maintain these habits, the more profound the changes. This isn't just a quick fix, it's a lifestyle that will extend your vitality and youthfulness for years to come. Don't underestimate the power of your mind when it comes to aging. Developing a growth mindset, believing you can improve and grow no matter your age, is critical. Neuroscientists have found that the brain's plasticity allows it to adapt and rejuvenate, even into old age. Focus on challenging your brain through learning new skills, picking up a hobby, or simply reading more. This not only keeps your mind sharp, but enhances neurogenesis, the growth of new neurons. Adopting a positive outlook has also been proven to lower cortisol levels, decrease inflammation, and slow down the aging process. A 2019 study revealed that optimistic individuals tend to live longer, healthier lives. Another reason to shift your mindset today. Did you know that jellyfish might hold the secret to human anti-aging? The Turritopsis dohrnii, often called the immortal jellyfish, can revert its cells back to their juvenile state after reaching adulthood, essentially starting its life cycle over again. While humans can't replicate this exact process, studying the jellyfish's regenerative properties has opened up new possibilities for understanding aging, cellular regeneration, and longevity in humans. Science is only beginning to explore how this knowledge could one day help us reverse the signs of aging. Congratulations, you've taken the first major steps toward reversing aging in just 90 days. By focusing on nutrition, exercise, mindset, and overall lifestyle changes, you've not only slowed down the biological clock but begun to reverse its effects. Remember to stay consistent. Every small step you take adds up to a significant difference. Keep these habits going beyond 90 days, and the benefits will only grow. If you enjoyed the high-quality content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. From health and wellness to fitness and finance, 90 Days Better covers a wide variety of transformative habits. Chances are, you could be just one video away from changing your life for the better. Check the description for resources and tools to support your journey. And until next time, stay motivated and keep growing.